Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on FLOKI. On a weekly time frame chart, FLOKI has been breaking out different patterns. And first, you can see that it broke out this very long-term down channel here in the month of July 2022. And after that, it was stuck inside this symmetrical triangle. And after breaking out the symmetrical triangle, we had another very nice rally. And after that, it was stuck inside this falling wedge pattern. And here in the month of October 2023, we also broke out this wedge but got stuck inside in another bigger symmetrical triangle. This was the resistance of the symmetrical triangle, and the previous support, this uptrend line support of this previous triangle was also working as a support of this newly formed symmetrical triangle, the bigger symmetrical triangle. And after breaking out this triangle, the price line has rallied very well. Recently, you can see that FLOKI has broken out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0000578 to and goes to 8204. And after the breakout, the price line also broke out this quite long-term resistance of $0.000174. And during this all move, you can see that FLOKI has also formed this very huge broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And whenever it is getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, you can see it is forming higher highs. And this time it is again bounced very well from this support and formed another higher than previous high, but so far it is not able to hit the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signals for FLOKI that I shared on 5th of March 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 190% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let's begin with my most recent trade signal for FLOKI that I shared on 5th of March 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that FLOKI formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved slightly down than this potential reversal zone, but did not break down this potential reversal zone, then reversed very well. And so far it has pumped almost 190%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of FLOKI, and here you can see that FLOKI has been breaking out different patterns. Like first it broke out this down channel, then got stuck inside in another symmetrical triangle. Then after the breakout, it was stuck inside this falling wedge pattern. And during all this move, it also formed another bigger symmetrical triangle as well. And after breaking out the wedge, the price line also broke out this bigger symmetrical triangle. And after breakout from this bigger symmetrical triangle, you can see that it has also broken out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 5780 and goes to 8204. And after the breakout, you can see that the price line is getting accumulated above this previous resistance and using this level as a support. And now there is a probability that soon it may try to break out the next resistance that we have here at $0.00035. And at the same time, you can see that it has also formed a very big broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And whenever it is getting bounced from the support of the broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs. And this time, it has also formed another higher than previous high, but so far it is not able to hit this resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern. If it will be reached there, then it can move somewhere here, approximately at $0.0012. But before that, we will also need to break out this quite long-term resistance of $0.00035. And by the way, this uptrend line is very important. You can see it is working as a very long-term structure for FLOKI. Therefore, if you have bought FLOKI after this breakout from this down channel, or after the breakout from this symmetrical triangle or this falling wedge pattern, or even after breaking out this symmetrical triangle, the bigger symmetrical triangle, you need to keep an eye on this support, because if this uptrend line support will be broken down, then the situation will become critical. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.